Good morning, guys. Welcome to the last day of 2021. It has been an incredible year. Matic. We got to talk about Matic in here because this is the #1 coin request that we're getting over email that you guys are like, man, what is going on with Matic? We keep winning trades over and over again. We're actually about to take another win here. I'm in this trade with you guys. We got triggered on December 27th. We're up in the profit 1.03%. AVX is about to win as well. So let's go over this. It's something interesting I want to show you guys. And yes, we could be due for a drop. So you want to watch this whole video. All right, so in the year 2021, guys, we went 100 for 100 wins. I did not think we were going to get this high this year, but we ended up reaching the goal. It's funny that we actually just ended at 100 for 100. I thought we were going to hit about 90 or 95, but we actually ended up getting to a solid 100 for 100 wins in 2021, and we have never lost a trade, guys, ever. I have video proof of all of these. You guys know if you've been watching me for a while. So in the second half of the video, I will show you guys how to get into our membership. Probably the best gift you guys can give yourself going into 2022 to finally feel confident about trading. None of our traders who've ever taken our trades and have followed our strategy, they've never lost a trade. And I'm trading with you guys with about $100,000 over here, and I'm with you in this bear market. This bear market has been crushing accounts, and we're down about less than 1% in our account. It's been amazing. I know a lot of people are down about 30-40% right now with this bear crash, but as we start diversifying into coins like Matic that we're going to talk about today, this is how we're able to keep our profits higher. So I'll show you guys that in the second half of the video. I want to get into the analysis right now. Okay, one last quick announcement. You guys know this. I'm going to say this, and then we're not going to talk about too much more after this because it's going to be done. This is the last day you guys have to get our indicators on sale. They will never be cheaper than this again. Seriously, if you guys are watching this video, count yourself a little bit lucky. I know that sounds kind of ridiculously cheesy to some of you, but seriously, these indicators are exiting us in the profit. And if you guys saw the last Ethereum video I did, this is when we exited our last Matic trade was up here because we were expecting to drop back down. Look in the trend exhaustion, get in the top red section here. We're seeing price starting to accumulate up here, and then we see the drops back down. Trend exhaustion in the top red section, well, money flow higher. The price doesn't go up any further. We see drops back down. Trend exhaustion in the top red section, well, money flow high. The price is stopping and it's moving back down, and this is how we were able to call the crash in the market over here. So these indicators, all the ones I use on my charts, guys, the trend exhaustion, the price to swell money flow, and the trend dashboard, you have this day only to get it. That's it. So make sure you guys are getting this before tonight, before the ball drops tonight. Make sure you guys are snagging these because the prices are going to go up tonight at midnight, okay? Watch this. I want to point this out to you really quick, and I want to go over the analysis. It's going to go straight into what we're looking at today, okay? When you guys are looking at this chart here, you guys know the drop set it's called. Fantastic. What I want you to watch for in this next few days is this pattern right here, because this is what I think is going to happen. We are probably going to see a high and a higher high form on the price action chart here. But if you guys look straight down, I'm going to draw a line straight down here. What do you guys see with well money flow? It's at a high. Well, what happened on this high over here? It's very clear. Was money flowing into the market? Look at the trend exhaustion as well, guys. Was money flowing into the market, and was the trend exhaustion moving up or down while price action was moving up? Price action was moving up while trend exhaustion was moving down, as well as the flow of money was moving out of the market. Guys, you can't have price continuing to move up when money's flowing out of the market. This is how we're able to call these crashes. You guys saw the Ethereum video I did this morning. A guy has literally made $20,000 just using the trend exhaustion, the price or swell money flow. We have other people writing in saying, hey, Travis, like, this is so awesome. I basically bought when it was in the bottom red section and sold up here, and I'm doing really well. Bought in the bottom red section and looking to sell up here. Like, yeah, they are all making these profits in the market on the dips and moving this back up here. It's pretty ridiculous what people are able to do. And I'm going to go into 2022 showing that more to you guys, okay? So looking over here, the way we were able to call this move was look at the overall pattern here of price action. You have a high and another higher high. Again, I'm going to pull this into today's analysis, so watch this. Higher and a higher high. If you look down here, what was happening during this duration here where we were in an uptrend? What's an uptrend? Only two things in an uptrend. Higher highs and higher lows. That is an uptrend right here. What do you guys see happening with price? We are moving down in this area. Do you guys see how if you have a high here and we have a low here, money's actually moving out of the market while price action is moving up? That is how we get drops back down in the market very quickly. And to show you guys this on a smaller scale, look at this level right here and look at the exact same level here. Money's flowing out. You can't have price continue to go up if money's flowing out of the market. Trend exhaustion is high, saying, hey, the trend is exhausted. We're due for a move down. This is why I don't have anything else on my charts. I believe we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and it's not to be arrogant, it's to be honest with where we're at. But the drops that we're calling are based off this. If you guys look at Matic here, just let me explain this a little bit. I want to show this to you guys. This was transparency of the last trade we won. Okay, it was up 16.16%. We moved the stop loss up even higher. Okay, this is where we were able to get into the market and we were able to actually exit. Sorry, let me pull this up here. Exit up here because of what? The trend exhaustion was high and we're looking for the drop. Did we get the drop? Yes, that drop is literally right here on the chart that I just showed you guys. That was the drop. I'm like, trend exhaustion is really high. Like, this is pretty ridiculous. We're going to look to move back down, and that's where we ended up moving back down, and that's where we're able to secure those profits. Now, moving all that to the current trade here, what do you clearly see on the charts? There's two things, and it can be a little different to interpret this, but let me explain this. The trend exhaustion is high, but the well money flow is still low. So this tells me that we can still see a decent amount of money flow into the market, which could end up giving us this formation over here. If price action starts moving up here and we start seeing some really nice moves up and the well money flow gets up here and we break this high, guys, I would seriously be watching for a massive drop back down here because that's going to put the trend exhaustion overextended into the red section here, maybe starting to move back down, and that's where we need to watch the drop. I said in Ethereum that tonight for New Year's Eve, we may be seeing a drop back down on the market or maybe even starting to see the crash back down. Why? Because the trend exhaustion is in the top here. Last time we got up here was when we came up here and we saw this crash in the market. We also called the crash in the market last time it got up here. So we could be seeing another crash absolutely in this market coming on New Year's Eve tonight. It's not to say, if it was down at the bottom, I would say we're bullish, just like I said yesterday. But now that we're switching the indicators and they're showing something different, you need to stay updated with this so you guys can stay in the right positions. Okay. And it's going to be a little longer video, but I wanted to show this to you guys. Those are our indicators. I'm sorry, guys. I need to update this. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause this video real quick, and then I'm going to come back here, and because I want to update this. So, guys, give me just 1 second on this. Hold on. Okay, we're back. I'm going to refresh this page. So it is not 48 hours left. This actually is the last day. So today only, you guys are going to be getting this. It's been a sale we've had going on for a little while, but literally tonight, you guys are going to see our bundle pack increase in price at 12 a.m. So tonight, Pacific Standard Time, when that ball drops on Pacific Standard Time, you guys will see our discount go away. So this is the deal on the indicators. I wanted to edit that real quick so make sure you guys, it's not confusing. Literally, you guys have less than 16 hours left. I think it's like 15 hours. Depending on if you're watching this video in the evening, you probably have like just a few hours left. Make sure you're clicking this link right here, and you guys at checkout on the coupon code, put in coupon code Christmas. We're just running Christmas till the end of the year. We still have our tree up, so it's still Christmas in our house. So when you guys click this link, enter coupon code Christmas at checkout. Capitalize it, lowercase it does not matter. I want to let you guys know this. I'm going to go over metrics here, but I just want to tell this to you guys. It's going to go up $50 tonight, so make sure you guys are getting this and do not miss that. Today is your last day to get that. Okay, Ethereum. We're going to take a look at, we took a look at that today this morning, but I want to go over Matic for you. The emotional index and all of our metrics are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time today. So let's go over this. What are we clearly seeing happen with the emotions of the market? We were sitting up into this greedy section, guys. And if you watch the videos on this channel, when we hit the greedy section, when people were like, oh my gosh, we're going up, Matic is going up through the roof. This is where we exited. I showed you guys that in the Telegram channel. That's where we exited for this move back down. You guys, you really need to be watching this on the metrics over here of when we get up into the emotional stages of excited and greedy in the market. You need to know that the wells and institutions are going to start shorting your guys' long trades because this is where they actually can place their shorts. They cannot place these huge short orders in the market and drop the price if everybody's shorting with them. You have to have people buying in order to place a sell trade. Does that make sense? Okay, now come back over here. Moving down here, long versus short trade risk. Where is the risk? Well, the risk is in short trades. The favor is where the metric blue line is, and this is now into good long trades. When you guys look at this, this should be correlated into the trades that we're taking, and yes, it is. We're already in trades here, and we're in the profit right now, about maybe close to 2%, I would say, 1.57%. So let's watch this continue to move up here today. Look at this. As you guys were seeing the market move up here and hitting these all-time highs and everyone gets really greedy and excited, wells and institutions are coming and they are dropping this price on you guys because they're taking short trades. This is such a good metric to watch. Right down here, I showed this to you guys and I did a video on this. Right when everyone was getting anxious and fearful, long trade switched over here in the market, and guess what? That was the beginning of the bull market run. While people were selling in here, we saw the acquisition of long trades from smart money and institutions, and they pumped the price back up. But look at what's happening now. Now that we're starting to see Matic move back down here, what has been happening? Short trades have been moving back drastically, moving closer to long trades to possibly push us into another bull market run, which is what we're starting to see now. If you guys can start understanding is, this is why you guys lose trades consistently. It's because, I'm going to be honest, it's because you're emotional when you're entering into your trades. Stop using emotion. I'm going to teach you that on this channel, and we're going to start trading with Wells institutions, and we have never lost a single trade. Okay? This is pretty ridiculous. So let's move down here further. Support and resistance prices. The next resistance we're looking at for structure high is at $2.75 and $3. That's what's called a quarters theory and a whole number level. $3 is up here, and we have $2.75 here. $2.75 could possibly get hit today if we see a nice little bull run. I think $2.75 is probably as high as we're going to hit before we see it move back down. Why? Because the trend exhaustion is in the top area here, and I do think we could see it move up here a little bit further than the move back down. Now, in the past here, like especially when we've seen this move up in the top red section here amongst these candles, like basically this whole entire consolidation zone is what we saw up here, and then we saw the drop. The whale money flow wasn't necessarily super high. That's why it took a little bit longer for it to drop. This is why if you ever see the whale money flow super high and you see the trend exhaustion very high, you need to look for drops to happen faster in the market. That's why we use 2 indicators to call this. With the trend dashboard right now, I want to make a quick reference to this. All of your guys' retailers, traders, indicators are going bullish. They're all going up here and they're saying, we got to buy this, it's going to the moon without us. I'm telling you guys, I was going to say, secretly, this is on YouTube in public, we are going to be looking to sell this trade while all the other retailers are buying in here because they think it's going to go up here. They're going to be like, oh, momentum's going. We're going to buy. Guys, we're going to short them out and we're going to sell this as it goes up, and we're going to do it well as institutions do, okay? Dollar cost average entries, I'm going to go over this and we'll get you guys into the next trade setups here in just like 1 second. If you have $100,000, $10,000, $100, I suggest splitting it into 10 portions and then buying into each of these green lines when they come out and just holding for 5 to 10 years. I'm not a financial advisor, just make that clear. That's just what we're doing, and we are doing very well over here. Exit points on Matic. If we look at this, we can see, hey, in the past, this has held pretty true. We're looking for drops back down when the price gets up into these higher levels, and that's what we've been seeing. So next time we see Matic get up here, like we're starting to see, watch this metric because we might start heading down very quickly here, okay? Let's get you guys into these trades. You guys know I showed you guys in the Ethereum video the guy that did $20,000 on just the trend exhaustion alone. This guy over here does 50% growth in his account portfolio, and he did this in 6 weeks with 25 for 25 winning trades, and he did with no leverage. I haven't shown these to you guys for a while because they've just been like way in the past, but look at some of what the other traders did. This guy's like, I'm up $5,000 last week. This guy over here, he's like, in 24 hours, I've done $1,280 in 24 hours. This guy's up over $1,100. Let's scroll on here to something else. $7,000 here. This guy, $1,200. I had this question yesterday. Travis, does it take a long time to make back the purchase of the membership or the indicators? Well, I'm showing you guys this. This guy made back all of it in like, he basically can have the membership for the lifetime for the purchase for as long as he wants to trade. Like, it's not, I keep our prices so ridiculously low because I want more of you guys to trade. I was some of you guys, when I had $100, I'm like, here is my deal. This, like, look at this guy. It makes $4,000 to $5,000 and it's ridiculous because of the metrics. So the indicators that are going up, you guys are going to be able to have those on your charts to help you predict moves. But what I was going to say is when I was trading these markets, let's say it's probably around closer now to like 8 to 10 years ago when I first started, I didn't have $100,000 obviously to put in the market. I had maybe, $100 to $200, $1,000 to $2,000 max I could put in the market. This guy makes $4,000 in one single morning. What I want to do, guys, is keep our membership so low that you guys, even with lower accounts, can start taking advantage of this. I can't stand when there's these memberships out there that are like $300 to $400 a month. Some of them I know that have gone up to $4,000 to $1,000 a month, and it's like, you guys who have lower money, you're never going to make your membership back, ever, because there's no way you can mathematically make $400 or $500 a month off a $1,000 or $2,000 account. You cannot do it. I'm going to break your bubble, guys. You can't do it. So this is why I keep it so cheap, and we have people in here who literally have like $1,000 that they're trading with, and they're like, Travis, thank you for keeping it so low because I'm actually making all my money back with your signals in here. So you guys are making profit to pay your bills, and you can start trading for a living, even with maybe $1,000 to $2,000. That's why I keep it low for you guys. Now, you guys are going to be like, okay, with all that said, we are looking to up this price here, but I'm keeping my word to you. Those of you guys who enter in at $49 a month right now on our membership, when this price goes up this next year, in the year of 2022, we're upping this price, okay? You guys will get grandfathered in. So anybody who purchases at $49 a month, you guys will not have your accounts moved up because it's just a monthly membership and it just auto renews. You guys can cancel at any time. There's no penalties for canceling. Just cancel and that's fine. But if you keep your $49 a month membership and this goes up in price, our system will not up the price for you. You'll stay here forever. We actually got a lot of emails about that yesterday, so I'm just taking a little bit longer time to share that with you guys. Literally, $49 a month, keep it for life. All next year, you will never be charged more monthly when this goes up. Okay, that's going to give you access to all the metrics for each of our coins I just showed you guys about. The well and institutional smart money, that's for every single coin, guys. It's like a behind the scenes metric that you guys can see what's happening with the market and kind of do opposite of retail traders. That membership is going to give you guys access into the live trades over here. Every single one of our 100 for 100 wins, guys, have all been taken on this one single page. Guys, all of them, every single one. So moving in over here, I'm going to show you guys how to set the trades up for Bitcoin. I just want to keep it private for our subscribers, but if you scroll down here, here's Matic right down here at the bottom. Sorry, I already passed it already. Here's Matic Polygon right here. You just need to click into this. Like, see how my cursor goes from a cursor to like a hand? Sorry, let me go like this. Like that. This is a hyperlink. Click in here and do what I'm doing on Bitcoin right now. I just want to keep it private for our subscribers. Here's what you guys do, and here's how you read our charts, and I'll show you guys about the sale one more time, and then we'll end this video. You guys, all the metrics are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so make sure you guys are watching this. No matter how much money you want to trade each of our coins with, here's what you're going to do. Let's say, for example, like I already said, $1,000. Take $1,000 or take whatever you guys want to trade with and split it into 4 equal portions. 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 here, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, set all your buy limits up at the same time, okay? Same time, guys, all the buy limits in your exchange at the same time. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys need to set the sell limit up here, just in case we skyrocket up overnight. Now, once you guys have all your buy limits set up, this is the most easy part and what people love the most, is joining me in the Telegram over here because I'm calling exits with our indicators. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, click Telegram, and that will give you guys a hot link on our website page for members only into the actual channel where we're seeing these members go up here because people are joining us and they're seeing that we're not losing trades over here. And I'm trading with my live money. You know, it's one thing to come out and say, hey guys, look at what this indicator did. Look at what this strategy does, and to not have anything on the line. Guys, I have $100,000 on the line. I'm trading all these coins with you, and I've used all the buy limits on our website for every single one of these trades. Most accounts right now, from what I'm seeing, are down between about 25 to 30% because of the bear market. We're down 1%. Even before we injected $50,000 to buy the dip, we only went down 7.8% in the entire account. We are keeping accounts safe over here because I'm trading with millionaires over here that are older and they're like, hey, I want to trade crypto and I don't want all my money at risk. That's what I'm going to help you guys accomplish on this channel, okay? Not a lot of channels teaching you guys really good risk management. We're not going to go for pump coins. I'm not going to try to grow the account 100 and 200%. That's unrealistic. You have to have terrible risk management in order to do that. I want to teach you guys how to have accounts and gain 20, 30, 40% a year every single year that you trade in compound interest for the years to come. And that is what I'm going to teach you guys over here. That's why a lot of people are signing up. The shift is happening in crypto where people would rather have consistent monthly income to trade than trying to get into pump coins and then lose it all 3 weeks later. That is why we're growing so fast. Okay, and that's why prices are going up because we're hiring more employees to handle the demand of it. All right, so I want to explain that to you guys a little bit. The indicators. All right, the indicators, guys. This is where you guys want to hang out. Today only. Literally, this is your last chance to end up getting these. I should probably put last chance today. I don't know if today only really makes sense, but literally at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time tonight on Pacific Standard Time when the ball drops, guys, the coupon code is going away. You guys only have about, I think it's 15 hours left if you're watching this video in the night. Like I said, you probably have maybe 3, 4, maybe 2 hours left when you're watching this. Make sure you guys click this link right here on our website. Again, it's just under indicators. Click this link and use coupon code Christmas at checkout. That will save you an additional $50 off the listed price. Now, to copy my charts, you guys want to get the price for swell money flow and the trend dashboard and the trend exhaustion at minimum, these 3. But with the bundle pack, it's actually cheaper to get the bundle pack in here than get our individual indicators. So it's a no-brainer to get the bundle pack because not only do you get the 3 that you need, you get 6 indicators on top of these 3, giving you guys a total of 9 indicators, which like I've said, going into 2022, the next year, I'll show you guys how to use some of the other ones, such as the pressure gauge, which I've already showed you guys this year, and I've had some of you guys make some incredible jackpot wins off of that, okay? I wanted to get you guys familiar with this. So when I go into showing you guys the indicators next year, get the bundle pack so you're not having to pay the upgraded prices, because this next year, I'm going to up the individual price of these 3 indicators within the first 3 months of this next year. All of our indicators are going up in price. That is why tonight you guys need to get the bundle pack, and at checkout, enter coupon code Christmas. I've been a little bit more adamant about this in the last few videos because I'm going to have people wake up on Monday being like, can I take advantage of the sale? And I'm going to be like, I'm sorry, but no, I need to keep this honest for everybody. You guys literally have today only and the prices are going up. So do not miss that. This is probably the best treat you guys can treat yourself to for 2022 in trading. It's why we haven't lost any trades over here, guys, and how we're exiting the profit. So watching Matic here, watch this, guys. Let's put our money where our mouth is. This is moving up here. If this goes up in price, I'm in this trade with you guys. If we see the trend exhaustion move up higher here, I'm going to give the well money flow a little bit of time to mature, and then I'm looking for a drop. And if I see this move up here like this over the weekend, I'm going to be taking an exit, and I'm going to call that out over Telegram. So make sure you guys have the indicators. Make sure you guys have your membership over here. And to get in the Telegram channel, all you guys have to do is come on down to the bottom here and click Telegram. That's going to give you the hot link into the Telegram channel, and that is accessed with simply getting the membership, which this is going to go up to, and I'll grandfather you guys in. Alrighty, guys. Such an amazing year, and only good things to come for next year. We're going to try to go 110 for 110 wins in January and 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022. God bless you guys so much on tonight. I hope this next year is full of blessings for your family, and you guys have more peace, you have more fun, and you guys make more profits in this next year. And I'm going to be with you guys, and it's going to be a blast. So get the indicators before they go up in price tonight. Make sure you guys are getting the membership before that goes up as well, and make sure you guys are following me in the Telegram channel with your guys' membership. Again, membership, click there, get the membership, and type Telegram down here. Click this, and you guys will be able to add yourself in there, okay? That's all I've got for you guys. Get everything set up tonight, and let's go into 2022 with a bang. Have a good one, guys. God bless you again into 2022. If you have any questions, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we'll be there for you guys. But all the indicators and everything you need is in the description of this video, and I've pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. Get everything in the description, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.